Wait, so that means I'm related to one of these?
Yes. This is Two Lies and a Leak. Playing today is NSYNC's very own Lance Bass versus his husband, actor and visual artist, Michael Turchin.
Family means so much to both of us.
It's something so cool to know, like where you came from.
The winner of our historical battle will win an Ancestry gift for the relative of their choice. Lance and Michael will also be playing for the coveted Golden Leaf Trophy. Oh, and I'm your fearless host, Jackie. Okay, let's do this. Let's play Two Lies and a Leak. All right, gents, welcome. I cannot wait to share some of the most colorful characters and curious facts from your family trees. But before we get into the questions, what are you hoping to learn?
I know nothing about my ancestors. It's something I've been interested in my whole life.
What are you kind of hoping?
I'm hoping I'm royal. Think I'm British, so Queen of England?
Okay, this first question is for both of you. Lance's great-grandfather Charles and his brother Albert were given what nicknames? A, red and blue, B, gray and green, C, Chip and Dale.
Well, Chip and Dale are our dogs, so I'm sure you're trying to throw me off. I'm gonna go with A.
Michael, any guesses?
Well, I'm just gonna go with B.
Ladies and gentlemen, the answer is A, red and blue.
Got a point. Oh, look at this. Albert Lloyd Pulliam. Aww.
Lance, as you can see by Albert's draft registration, he had red hair.
6 foot. Wish I had that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, how did you get so short?
Oh, Charles. I never knew my great-grandparents on that side. My grandfather, my papa, he passed away a couple of years ago, actually. That's what really made me want to start researching my family tree.
Now, here in round 2, I'll ask each of you one question. Michael, your ancestor Max Turchin traveled from Belarus to New York on October 15th, 1904. How much money did he have on hand when he landed on Ellis Island? A, nothing. B, $7.50. C, $56.
Oh man, B. $7.50.
And the answer is B, $7.50.
Oh,
$7.50. And according to these records, it looks like his full name was actually Movsha Turchin.
Gotta name our son Movsha. We're changing the name.
We're changing the name
Changing the
now.
name.
Yeah.
It's not too late. Lance, it's your turn to take the hot seat.
Okay.
Your 4th great-grandfather was named Zedekiah Rayner.
Zedekiah.
Well, he created quite a legacy. Did he? A, build 7 city parks. B, serve as the inspiration for the TV hit The Bachelor. Or C, father 20 children.
I really wish it was B, but unfortunately it's definitely not gonna be that. I'm gonna have to go with 20 children because it sounds so crazy.
Correct answer?
Oh my God.
Zedekiah kept busy and fathered, get ready for this, 20 children that we know of.
Oh.
Could have been more, it could have been more. Zedekiah was busy, could have been more.
I mean, I am winning, right? Is that the case right
No,
now? I think I am.
No.
I think I'm in the...
Tomato, tomato.
Tomato, tomato, Lance is winning by a point.
Yeah!
Okay, guys, in this round, it's your turn to tell the lies. On your cards, you'll find the question and the correct answer. Write in 2 lies of your very own to try and throw each other off. Have at it.
Let's do this.
This is your chance to really stump the competition.
I'm done. I'm gonna get an extra bonus point if you don't finish the next 5 seconds.
Oh my God, stop it.
Michael's middle name is Nancy Drew. Just writing a quick novel. All right.
All right, Michael. While living in London in the early 20th century, Ferdinand Phillips, that's your 2nd great-grandfather. He worked as a Navy ship operator,
Okay.
a hat maker specializing in men's fashion, or C, hairdresser specializing in wigs and braids.
Okay, I'm just gonna go with a hat maker.
And you would be wrong.
Of course.
It's actually C, a hairdresser
Of course I'm wrong.
specializing in wigs and braids.
Ferdinand knew everything there was to know about fancy dues.
I wonder if he did the wigs for Parliament.
Michael, Now it is your chance to try your hand at throwing Lance off his game.
All right.
Bring it.
Okay. Well, as you know, our favorite holiday is Halloween.
Oh, yes.
What historic family event of yours took place on Halloween 1873?
A smoke event. Wait, a seance, maybe?
What?
Oh my gosh, this just got really creepy.
Zedediah, are you with us?
Oh my gosh.
The first one. Your second great-grandfather, Andrew Wilson, was born. B is your third great-grandmother, Anna, was tragically killed in a house fire.
Ooh, okay.
And then C, your third great-grandfather, Nancy Drew, became a leprechaun.
I wonder which one you wrote. I'm gonna have to go with
Leprechaun?
A. Someone had to have been born.
You would be correct.
Yes! I'm so good at this game, guys. Oh, there we go, John Andrew.
And as you can see on his draft card, he was of medium height, had a stout build, brown hair, and gray eyes. Oh my God, was he a werewolf?
Wow, I wish. I mean, he was born on Halloween.
And you're short and stout like
I'm
him?
short and stout.
With light gray
All right, we
eyes.
can stop now.
This is a competition after all, and sadly, we only have one Golden Leaf trophy. So for this final question, it's winner take all!
All right.
Which unexpected distant relative is part of Lance's musical family tree? A, Faith Hill, B, Britney Spears,
Oh, I wish.
I wish.
or C, Elvis Presley?
Ooh, those are three good ones.
Wait, so that means I'm related to one of these?
Yes. Take your markers and your cards and write in your guess.
I really hope it's Britney, but there's no way.
Okay, on the count of three, I want you to turn over your cards. 1, 2, 3.
Elvis?
I put Brittany. I hope it's
That's too good to be true.
And the answer is B, Britney Spears.
Are you kidding me? I don't care about losing because this is amazing.
I know, I guess you really are the true winner here.
Oh my gosh. Wait, how am I related to Britney Spears?
Britney is your 6th cousin once removed. Boom!
This is the, look, I wanted to be related to the Queen. Well, now I'm related to the Queen of Pop. That is so crazy though, because I mean, I feel like she's my little sister, and this whole time she's been my little cousin.
She's a bass.
She's a bass. And it makes sense because we were born an hour from each other.
Yeah, I know, you've told me that.
This is so cool.
Wait, do you guys see a resemblance?
For some reason, I always felt like we looked like family, even when we were kids. I mean, this means so much to me. I mean, one, she is like family to me. So the fact that we are like blood related is amazing.
All right, Michael.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your prize?
Oh, I've never been more ready. Oh, what is going on?
That's like a legit trophy.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, 2 lies and a leaf. Wow, there's so many people I'd like to thank. First of all, I'd like to thank my cousin via marriage, Britney Spears. You've always been an inspiration to me. And I'd like to give a special thanks to Ancestry for this amazing trophy.
Congratulations, Michael.
Thank you.
Cherish this Golden Leaf trophy forever. And of course, you've also won an Ancestry gift for the relative of your choice.
Yeah.
I'm just so excited to learn everything I can about my family history. And now having twins, it's even more special because I do want them to know who their family was. You might have won, but come on, I was the real winner here.
I mean, I literally won.
I leave with Britney Spears as my cousin. I don't need a trophy.
That's it for us today. Thanks for playing, and thanks for watching 2 Lies and a Leaf.
All right, you can keep the trophy. I get to keep Jackie.
Thanks for watching. Ancestry is the gift that can bring families near and far closer together this holiday season. Start shopping early with the link below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next 2 Lies and a Leaf.